Today we discuss about how to calculate the ground state term symbols for different configurations. First we discuss about the filled orbital for like as S2, P6, D10, F14. For filled orbitals only one ground state term symbol. So what that is singlet as 0. How can you get? You can discuss here. So first you write in s orbital how many electrons is there? 2 electrons, S2 for S2. So the value of s orbital is 0. So with 2 electrons here 0 again. So half plus minus of the total s value is nothing but sigma si of plus of minus of. So the s value is 0. Again we know the term symbol. What is the term symbol here? 2s plus 1 Lz. If you put s value is 0, so the spin velocity 2s plus 1 is equal to 2 into 0 plus 1, that is equal to 1. So it is singlet. What about L values? So here the azimuthal quantum number L value is 0. The azimuthal quantum number L value is 0. The magnetic quantum number plus or minus L, it is also 0. So 0 into 2 electrons. So it is also 0. So the L value also 0. So the L value is 0. The term letter of the L value is equal to 0 is nothing but if the term value is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So S, P and D, F, G. So here L value is 0 is nothing but S term. So we put S term here. What about Z value? So here the Z value is L plus S minus 1, L plus S minus 2, so on, L minus S modulus. So L value 0, S value 0. So 0 plus 0, it is equal to 0. So 1s singlet as 0, it is a ground state term symbol for S2. Whereas P6 also same. Again we put 6 electrons here. So 2 electrons into plus 1, plus 2. 2 electrons into 0, 0. Plus 2, Z plus 0. Into electrons minus 1, minus 2. Total is again 0. Whereas sigma Si half minus of, half minus of, half minus of. So all value also 0. So if I get L value 0, S value 0, we get the same term symbol. What about for the D10? This is also same. Plus 2 plus 1 plus the L value of the D orbital is 2. So the M value is plus or minus 2. So we write plus 2 plus 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2. Again we total all these electrons, plus of, minus of, plus of, minus of, so on. So we get S value also 0, L value also 0. So again the term symbol is singlet as 0. Again F orbital also. So in F orbital we write the L value of the F orbital is 3. So we write plus 3, plus 2, plus 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So if you calculate 2 electrons into plus 3, plus 6, plus 6 plus 4 plus 2 and 0 and minus 2 minus 4 and minus 6. So again all are cancelled. Again L value also 0. S value half minus of, half minus of. Again each one filled orbital is nullified. So the S value also 0. So that is nothing but all filled orbitals. For example they use zinc atom or neon or helium term symbol. Whereas F14 means it is nothing but lawrencium. These type of elements are filled with the valency. So any filled orbitals, the ground state term symbol is singlet as 0. Again we calculate the P1 and P2 configuration. For P1 we put 1 electron plus 1, 0, minus 1, 1 electron into plus 1. So again the value is 1. Again the another of S value is sigma Si. Only 1 electron is there. So you can write plus of. It is nothing but of. Again we calculate based on the S value we can calculate 2s plus 1. So many people are write this. This is the S value. It is wrong. It is the S value based on the spin value only. So 2 and 1 by 2 is nothing but 2 get cancelled. The spin velocity is here 2. So the another method to calculate all the term symbols possible in a particular configuration. This is like that whole diagram. So here the possibilities. So one electron is filled in this orbital. The second possibility is the electron is maybe in this shell. are nothing but this one or this one or this one. Okay, so we the possibilities are like this, and 1 into plus 1 plus 1, 1 into 0 0, and 1 into minus 1 minus 1. So this is the set of orbitals. So plus 1 0 minus 1 is nothing but the total set of L is equal to 1, where S is equal to half. So here the L value is greater than or equal to S, so the spin multiplicity is equal to number of J values. So of 1 plus of minus 1, so on 1 minus of, so the least value is 1 by 2. So if you don't go for the confusion, so the spin multiplicity is L is greater than or equal to S, the number of spin multiplicity is 2, so we get only 2 J values. So we can write the p orbital p1 as d 3 by 2, d 1 by 2. So least value for the below off-field configuration, the least value is the ground state. J value is the least value is the ground state. So d 1 by 2 is the ground state term symbol for the p1 configuration. What about p2? So again we write 2 electrons in the p2 configuration, where S value is sigma Si, half plus half, it's nothing but 1. So the S value of the p2 configuration is 1. Again we put the spin multiplicity 2 into 1 plus 1 is nothing but 3. So we get triplet. So L is greater than S, so we get how many J values? 3. Spin multiplicity is 3, so we get only 3 J values. 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 minus 1, so on 1 minus 1, 2 1 0. So it is a proof for the how many 2 1 0, how to get that these L value J values here or L values here. So there are several possibilities, where S is equal to 1 means the electrons are filled in 1 electron in the different orbitals. So this is a one possibility, this is a one possibility, this is a one possibility. So plus 1 into 1 and 1 into 0, so total is 1. Plus 1. Again 1 plus 1, 1 into plus 1, 1 into minus 1, so totally it is 0. Again 1 into 0, 1 into minus 1, again total minus 1. So this is the set plus 1 0 minus 1. So this is the L is equal to 1 set, so the capital L value is 1, where S is equal to 1. So another possibility is these 2 electrons are filled in the same shell or with opposite spin. So there are several possible. 2 electrons are filled in these 2. So 2 electrons means we called as 2 into plus 1, it is nothing but plus 2. 2 into 0, it is nothing but 0. 2 into minus 1, it is nothing but minus 2. Again these electrons are filled in the opposite spin level. So 1 into plus 1, plus 1, 1 into 0, 0. So total plus 1. 1 into plus 1 and 1 into minus 1, again alpha is 0. Here 1 electron, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into minus 1, minus 1. So we get set plus 2, plus 1 and 0, minus 1 and minus 2. One more 0 is there, so we put L is equal to 0, one set. L is equal to plus 1, plus 2, plus 0, minus 1. This is the set is nothing but L is equal to 2 set. So where S is equal to 0, we get L is equal to 2 and L is equal to 0. So, but you only need the highest multiplicity, only we can calculate the ground state. So the P2 configuration, again we write triplet P2 and triplet P1, triplet P2. Why you calculate these 3? So already I discussed about the microstates. So the microstate give the formula. Again we compare how many microstates get in the formula. Again we calculate the theoretical only. Okay, so again we put S is equal to 0 in the spin multiplicity. 2 into 0 plus 1 is nothing but 2 into 0 plus 1, it is nothing but singlet. So L is equal to 2 means D term, singlet D 2, L plus S, 2 plus 0 how much? 2, 2 minus 0 also 0. So only we get only 1 J value, because spin multiplicity is 1. Whereas S is equal to 0, spin multiplicity again L is equal to 0 means term is S. Again 0 plus 0, 0. So again we draw the microstates of this one. So first we have triplet P and triplet 0 and triplet P1 and triplet P2. So here 0, and triplet P1 minus 1 0 plus 1, P2 minus 2 plus 1 0 plus 1 plus 2, whereas singlet D2 where and minus 2 minus 1 0 plus 1 plus 2, whereas singlet 0 1. So we calculate the total microstates. This is the 1 microstate 1. How many microstates? 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 microstates. Here also 5. Here 1 2 3 microstates and 1 microstates. Total how much? 5 plus 5 10, 3 13, 14 and 15. So go for the according to formula. Morning I discussed this microstates formula. 4 into L plus 4L plus 2 factorial by Q factorial into 4L plus 2 minus Q factorial. What is meant by Q means how many electrons are in the particular orbital, and this L is nothing but what is the azimuthal quantum number of the particular orbital. Here P is there, the P orbital of L value anta 1, the L value of P orbital is 1, the electrons are in that particular configuration is 2. So we put 4 into 1 plus 2 factorial by 2 factorial into Q factorial plus 2 rest 4 into n plus 2 minus 2 factorial. 2 to get cancelled. 4 plus 2 means 6 factorial. 2 factorial into 4 factorial. So you can write, we don't need to write all the factorial. Simply write 6 into 5 4 factorial by 2 into 4 factorial. 4 factorial denominator is cancelled. 2 3 is 6, so 3 5 is 15. So we get in the formula 15 microstates. It is a proof with these 15 microstates. We can calculate all the term symbols of the microstates and compare with the how many terms. So it is somewhat complicated, but it is P2 is a little bit electrons. So we can calculate all these microstates and we compare. The remaining terms are very 45 120. So it is somewhat difficult to calculate total microstates and give that proof. Okay, good evening.